This is Lawal Hassan, a member from the Diversity Team 2 Discord channel. I'm here to deliver the assignment on behalf of my team. So basically, as you can see on the screen, so this is an automation setup to automate a recruitment or lead conversion process of a or company or a firm, whereby the leads will submit their mail in request for a certain service or a product for their company. So, and this brand I'm creating this automation for actually works with companies. So any any mail that is going to be received here should be for a certain company which need their service. And once they get into here, they get to submit their details, and the mails they submit for the company is the main player for this automation setup. So you can see on the screen, uh, once they submit the mail, it is taken to an enrichment stage where we use hunter.io and non-verify non-verify and there are much. So we use that for the verification process. So after we completed their enrichment, we take it to the Google Sheet for registration and the duplication to avoid duplicating a submission twice. And then from there we take it to branches. So let's follow the first branch. You can see, for after the duplication we take it to assigning to sales team. So we have senior sales team and we have junior sales team. The senior sales team are meant to be attending to companies that have more than 65. Uh, this is basically done with the company sizes. So a company with 65 above, the company size it is more than 65 above, must be attended to by a senior staff, and those that are below that will be attended to by a junior staff. So after forwarding the details to the senior staff in their telegram, a an automated Trello board, which is to record the new lead into the board for the staff to check it whenever they go there and work on it. Then from there, move them to like a progress board. So it is automatically created for them. We will be seeing the end result of this one after the other, and also any error that occurred during the enrichment here. Any error that occurred during the enrichment here is going to be sent to the Slack to the Slack message attendant for him to check whatever is the issue and come and verify it manually if it is not done automatically. And after that, we take it to after we've deduplicate everything, we take it to a CRM recording recording database, which I am using Airtable as the database. So in place of HubSpot tends to be giving few delays in data collection and verification and the likes. So that's why Airtable is being used instead. So everything is being recorded into Airtable, and from there, after recording the the new lead, so the message is being sent to the Slack attendant as well. To to the Slack attendant to note the new lead that was gotten. So any error, so I this is being set to uh okay, so to retry if there is failure while sending the details to the Airtable. So if it is an error, it is going to resend it twice. So you can see the maximum try is twice. So after the error, if it continues, then this automation should not stop. Instead, the error should be sent to a Slack attendant to come and check what the issue is. And also, after that, we take it from the duplication stage into the to filtering the leads that was gotten. So if they requested for demo after getting the product, so if they actually want to see a demo, then some will request for it and some are not going to request. So depending on the condition, so this if switch is working on that. So if they should request, if they did not request for demo, so a thank you message is sent to them for registering for the product without requesting for the demo. So after the message has been sent, we are expected to have a feedback from them, so to know whether they actually or want the product or the like. So after the thank you message is being sent, a follow-up message is in place to be sent after 3 days to ensure the lead is being followed up automatically without anybody working on that. So you can see a wait note being set here. So this wait note is literally going to wait for 3 days. So after 3 days, it will send the message. But the condition for the wait note to work is that this the Airtable data collection we did here, data record rather. So this Airtable node is going into the database to check the record that are there. It checks all the table and it goes to a certain field where is to determine the status of the lead. So if it is a new lead, so the status is going to be on new. But if it is being worked on, the staff, whoever is working on it, are meant to change it from new to in progress or whatever. So what this if node is now working on is it is going to check has the status been changed or not. So if it is being changed, then it is going to that means it is going to take it as a false. But if it is not being worked on, if it is not worked on, so it will take it as a true, which means a follow-up message is needed to be sent to the lead. So that is why we are seeing a follow-up message at the end here. And also, if a client request for demo request, if the request for demo request, they will be receiving a message with a demo details. So you can see here, so this is the message that is being formatted for them, and what we use there is their email. So the email will automatically be receiving this message. So after so you can see, and in the message, so the time is being set, and also a automated demo record has been made, and this is the link to the record. So once they click on it, they'll be having it live and they'll be able to watch it, and the action will be given to them after the end of the presentation. So this okay, so starting from here, so we might not be able to do it one after the other to save time. So once we click on the execute step, you already see it is a trigger node, so it will be listening for the new for the new submission. So and here is the form, you can see the form here. So here is the form. Oh, sorry for this. Here is the form. Oh my, so sorry. So here is the form, and once they get here, they are meant to submit their email. So they are meant to submit their email and their company name. This is not actually needed, but in the future we might be adding other needed fields. So this is just to collect their mails. So after the company mail has been collected, then we know this automation is going to be triggered. So once it's triggered, it takes the email that was collected into the enrichment stage, and the code node is going to work on it to enrich whether the email are true or not. And the outcome from here is going to be merging the detail, the mail that was submitted, with the name of the company, the company size, the genderize is going to work on that, the gender of the person that submitted, so it is going to work on that. And also non-verify is going to verify the number of the person which is gotten from Hunter IO. So after that, we take it to the duplication stage, where where their data is being registered. Let's execute this workflow, and we'll be checking the oh sorry, I need to trigger this. Let me drop something. Let's so let's do this for the automation to work. So you can see it has been triggered. So the system is now working. You can see it has been ticked. So all node seems to be working properly, as you can see on the screen. So we are sending the message. So from there to the the Airtable has worked. So now to the demo request message. So one after the other, will be showing the result of the follow-up message is showing an error. I'll be giving that to check later. So there should be a reason for that. So I've run it before. So from here, okay, let's start from here. So the outcome. So here is the outcome from, okay, you can see. So it is in this form. Here are the details. So the email, the first name of the submitter, the person that submitted, their last name, their phone number, either they press demo or not. So status is valid. The score for the email is 92. All these are being gotten by from hunter.io. So the company name and the company size is Clearbit, and the gender is from Genderize, and the IP info is getting their country from us, and the number verifier is checking whether their number is correct. So and giving us the format of their phone number. So we can see this, all these are being sent into our Google Sheet. All these details are being received before, and so the mechanics we are using here is to to update or append the row. So if the row exists, using the email. So if the email already exists, it is just going to update the new submission. But if not, it is going to record it into the table. And okay, to save time, so we've seen the system works properly. Now let's check the result one after the other. So we have 30 mails that were submitted. So you can see these are 30 mails. So the first line is for the title. So we have 30 mails that have been submitted to our Google Sheet. Everything is here. Nice. Let's go to okay. So we can see the error message being sent to the Slack team. And okay, moving to the year table. So let's see, we have 30 records. So these are correct, and you can see the status are set to be new. So when the staff works on it, it's going to toggle this from new to in progress or acquired. And when this is done, based on the condition we set for this if node. So when it's okay, where is the node? So okay, yeah, so this node. So when it is being set, the search record is go if it is switched to new or in progress. So you can see this is the info we are mapping, the status. So we are using the client, and we are working on the client status here. So the status that was sent to here. Now we check here the if node we set. So you can see we said if the status is at new, it should what take it as true, and if it is true, the follow-up message should be sent, and if it is false, that means nothing should be done. So taking to the from here to the okay Telegram. So let's walk to the Telegram where the message is being sent to the staff. So to the Telegram where the message is being sent to the staff. So you can see here, right. So we can see new lead captured name, and this. So this is for the senior staff, and for the junior staff, everything is being set in place as well. Then lastly, the Trello board. So we can see the Trello board, which is created for the senior staff automatically. So once the data is being sent, everything is going to be sent here. And when the staff works on it, when he works on it, he's going to then toggle them from here to this stage, which means they are now in progress, and from here to here, which means they are acquired. Alright, so thank you. Let me end it here to avoid getting it too long. Thanks for staying with me up to now, and thanks to Diversity for giving us this great opportunity to learn automation with it. Thanks. Bye.